Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Pookie Bear's Corner. Today is a great day. We are making ice cream cone cupcakes. They are very simple. I use a box mix. You can use your own mix if you prefer. Box mix is just easier. Any flavor of this will work. You do not have to use a specific flavor. We're just going to add this to our bowl. Just like that. Add 1 cup of water. Half a cup of vegetable oil. I don't see as well without my glasses on, and I set my glasses down and I'm not sure where I put them. So, half cup of oil. 3 of the eggs. It is 74 degrees here today. There is a nice breeze outside. Was finally able to get the grass cut today. It was getting quite long. So we got that done. And I was like, well, you know, I feel like making a little dessert today. So that is what we are doing. We're just going to mix these up. I have 12 jumbo ice cream cones in my muffin tin. You don't have to do anything special with them. Just stand them up in your muffin tin. Very simple, very easy. My auntie used to make these for us when we were kids. And I had totally forgotten about these until I was talking to her the other day. And she's like, well, don't you remember I used to make them all the time when you guys were kids? And I'm like, Auntie, I'm 52 years old. I don't remember a whole lot from when I was a kid. She's like, how do you think I feel? I'm 77. I don't remember much from when I was a kid. I was like, yeah, true. So we're just going to mix this up. Once you get it all nice and mixed, I am using a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop these. You want to fill them about halfway to the top, not all of the way up. Half to 3/4 of the way. And then just stand them right back up in your tray. This is a great one that if you've got school-age kids, this is fun for them to do. My grandson does not like to be in the kitchen, so he doesn't help out a whole lot in the kitchen. He'd rather be out with the boys, hanging out, riding bikes, on the skateboards, you know, the fun stuff. But he's 8 years old, so I can't really blame him for that. Who'd want to be stuck inside with an old lady? You know? Husband decided he was going to take the day off today. So he is home. So don't be surprised if you hear him in the background or see him in the background of any of my videos. My youngest just left for a little bit. He's going to his buddies for a little while. So he'll be back in a bit. Of course, if y'all know me, you know Miss Dot Dog is here, chilling out behind Mom. I think. Nope, she's not. She must be in my room under the fan. It is 74 here, but it is a tidbit humid. And Miss Dottie Dog does not tolerate the humidity. She doesn't mind the heat, but the humidity is what gets her. So we try and keep fans on for her. And on those really super humid days like we had earlier in the week, we actually had the air conditioning on for her. Me, myself, I don't mind the heat. I actually enjoy the heat. But if I had my way, I would live in Alaska. I love the cold. You can live in the cold. You can always bundle up and get warm. Once you're in the heat and you're hot and sticky, it's a little harder to get cooled off. Alright. We got a little bit of batter left over, and that's okay. These are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 22 minutes or so. So we will show you what they look like when we take them out. We shall see you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alrighty, righty. These have just come out of our oven. They are very warm. But they look like little cupcakes. We're just going to take them out of our tin and set them aside to cool so that we can decorate them. Just like that. And then we are just going to take and just do regular cupcakes for the rest of our batter. Not sure how many more I can get out of here, but we're going to attempt to do 6. We'll see if we get that. Alright, here we go. These bake for exactly 23 minutes. And we are just going to let them cool completely before we decorate them. So, about an hour to cool, roughly. I think I'm only going to be able to get 4, maybe 5. Thinking 4. just going to finish baking these off. And once they have cooled, we will show you how we're going to decorate them. We see you guys in a while. Ta-ta for now. Alrighty, guys. These have been cooling for about an hour and a half now. They're nice and cool. I have some whipped sweet cream frosting. And yes, I know it says it's whipped, but I whip it extra. I just pour it into a bowl. Make sure you get all of it out. And then I just mix mine up more. Just makes it a little airier, a little fluffier. You don't have to do this step. This is just how I do it. I have a large Ziploc bag. I have to grab my scissors. I think I left them on the other counter. Okay. And we're just going to take our frosting. We're going to put it inside of our bag. If you have a piping bag, that works even better. I do not. Get all that yumminess into your bag. And there we go. Okay. We're just going to take our Ziploc bag. We're going to squish all of this to the bottom corner. Oh, Dottie woke up from her nap. She heard a plastic bag. Hi, baby girl. All right. Now that we've got it in the corner, we're just going to snip the corner of the bag. Ooh. We're just going to they don't have to be pretty. If you've seen me frost cupcakes before, my cupcakes usually do not look fancy or pretty. Plus it helps if I use my left hand and not my right hand to do this. Just like that. We are frosted. Now, you can use whatever sprinkles you want, or if you don't want sprinkles, you don't have to use sprinkles. I have peanut butter sprinkles and green sprinkles. So that is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to do half of them with the green and half of them with the peanut butter. You can also put some, chocolate syrup on the tops of these. Make them look like an actual ice cream cone. All right. There are our peanut butter ones. We're going to do some of these green sprinkles. I thought I had colored sprinkles. I didn't. All I had was the green. So we're going with green today. Couple more, and we should be all set. And there we go. Hope y'all enjoyed the little video, and we will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.
Hey friends, let's spread some kindness. First, give me a thumbs up. Next, ring the bell for updates. And subscribe for more fun.